If you're still using a kitchen knife or a saw to cut foam, you need to upgrade to this foam cutter. Wow! Look how clean that edge is, and it makes no mess. Amazing! And I cut this foam with ease. Now it comes with a blade for broad cuts across the foam, and it comes with this wand for small details, another wand for small details, and then a curved for bending and unique cuts. Whether you're doing home DIY projects or holiday decor, this is the ticket. Now it's safe because it has an on-off switch and it's so easy to use. It is recommended to use it in a ventilated space because cutting the foam does create some fumes, but it's not a problem at all. This is such an impressive tool. I highly recommend it. Buy yours today.